What is going on YouTube? Bubble here, and it's been quite a few months since I made a video. So, my mate, well, you'll know him as well, vids22, there'll be a link up there to his channel. Please subscribe to him. He's an awesome friend of mine, and he does reviews, vlogs. I'm trying to press him to do gameplays. I know I need to do them as well, but this channel's just mainly my vlog channel. I'm making a new one, so yeah. But anyway, it's been quite a few months since I made a video, and vids22 has been asking me, when are you going to make a new one, when are you going to make a new one? And I thought, well, might as well make a new one when I have the chance. And if you haven't already noticed, got a new room, moved house, because, well, I can't say the reason why, and I thought my dad was in the doorway then, so, creepy. Did you know when you got that feeling when someone's just like watching you? They just turn around and say, come here. That'll be him. There. Might be doing so. But yeah. He's pressing me to do videos. I said, right, fine, I'll do one. And if I seem a bit down today, it's because I'm knackered to hell. Because it's 29 minutes past 11. And I've been with my girlfriend all day, laughing and joking. So, and tomorrow I'll be going out there again. So, let's have a bit of fun. Nah, but tomorrow we're gonna sort out this argument. But anyway, sales question. Going off topic. What have I been up to since then? Since I left my last video, I think that was the just mess around one. Since then, I stopped the videos because I went to Wales to see some family and some friends, and I just like completely forgot about it. I'm so sorry. But oh yeah, and I promised I'd fix the videos down. I did, but I accidentally deleted them. Sorry. But anyway, I did delete them by accident, so even though I'm going down there, I think it's after Christmas or something, I'll make a video. And I better shut my door because that's getting a bit too creepy.
Yeah, I'm back.
I swear to God, he's bloody watching me. Well, where was I? I completely forgot what I was talking about. Oh yeah. So when I get back from Wales, I'll upload some videos for you guys who've never been there. There's some sights and some music, and so it'll be great. And then when I came back, the news came that I had to move house, which didn't hit me quite nice first off, because, well, I've moved house. When I was in Scarborough, I moved house about, what, about 8 times. And to be honest, if you were like me, you'd think I'm a gypsy. I swear to God, because I move house that often. It does get on my nerves. At the minute, I'm living in Barclay. Not the nicest area, but at least we got a roof over our heads. So since then, I've been, well, been a pain in the ass recently. And I have been on the internet for a while because we had the broadband down, and I was just pressing my dad, come on, get it, because I'm sick and tired, because I'm getting bored to tears. So. After we had to pay £484, £484.38. After then, we didn't have any money at all. But since then, everything's been going fine. Got a girlfriend. That's the one I was telling you about before. I'm going out with her tomorrow, even though she came around here today. So I messed around on the Xbox for a while. I kicked her ass. Don't tell her I said that, otherwise she'll kill me. So, shush. But I'm going after her now, guys, because I am knackered. So I'll upload a new video tomorrow. I'll give you more information on what I'm going to do. Oh, by the way, VDMP is not going to happen. I repeat that, VDMP is not going to happen because we just can't do it at the minute. But with hope, we might. So if you want to subscribe, please do. It's up there. I keep getting it wrong. God, I'm so stupid. But anyway, it's up here. So click that button. Click it. And you'll be part of the blood pack. So come and join me. Blood Wolf out.